Introducing Dan Bledsaw, Semi-Professional 100 Air. Hello there! By the end of this learning module, you'll be able to explain why Dan Bledsaw is taking this course, know some of the esoteric things Dan Bledsaw uses for his job, apply background knowledge of Dan Bledsaw in casual conversation, reveal you had the patience for yet another self-introduction, and use this knowledge for your own purposes. Let's get into a little bit of background about Dan Bledsaw. Professionally, I am an award-winning technical content developer and trainer for F5 Networks. I design content for and train internal support and consultant staff. My specialty is designing troubleshooting and applied training to our courses. This involves knowing networking OSI layers 2 through 7, light scripting, light programming, and knowledge about tools for working on all of the above. Now, a little bit about my family. I'm married to a superior intelligence. Her name is Rachel. I have a small dog. His name is Detritus. About me personally, I have a long list of hobbies and interests, but here's a short one. I love bad dad jokes. I love cooking, traveling, games, board, video, role-playing, bad movies, psychology, art, and I love confusing my own crushing self-critique with self-awareness. Now a little bit of the why and how. Why am I taking this course? Well, I wanted to do more content development on my team. When first taking my position, I did content development 30% of the time and taught the other 70%. I am now doing content development 70% of the time, but I'm still teaching the remaining 30% of the time. This is part of the certificate program I'm taking as part of my annual requirement for professional growth. Now how about that quote? My pick for a quote from the book is Know Thyself by the Oracle of Delphi, because this is the most challenging thing I think anyone can attempt to do. And in conclusion, now that you've attended this module, you should be able to explain why Dan Bledsaw is taking this course, share a few of the esoteric things Dan Bledsaw uses for his job, apply background knowledge of Dan Bledsaw in casual conversation, and reveal you had the patience for yet another self-introduction, all while being able to use this knowledge for your own purposes. Thanks for watching.